Our next guest is the head of China's biggest shipping company. He joins us from the National Press Club, where he will be speaking this afternoon about U.S. China relations and trade between the two countries. He's Captain Jiafu Wei, CEO of China Ocean Shipping Group, or Cosco, as it's commonly known. Good morning to you, Captain. We're so excited to have you on the show. The industry you're in really is the artery of the world economy in many ways. Tell us, where are we in this global recovery from where you sit?
And good morning. I believe the financial crisis will be over shortly and now going to the stage for recovery. For example, the BDI index in the beginning of this year is 663 points. Now is up to 3,080, like that. So it indicates the bulk market is come back. And by the way, for the second half of this year, the container market is going up slowly. And the rest up the freight for several times. Now it's more stable for that. So I believe through the joint efforts for the world, different countries' stimulus package, the world economy now escaped from the financial crisis. The worst situation is over. And China is an example, good example. Since March of this year, we could see China economy is going up. And the leadership, the Chinese government, they already push the GDP growth fast going up. For example, the third quarter of the China GDP already reached to 8.9% growth. From the January to September, the average GDP growth already reached 7.9%. I believe the entire year of the 2009, the Chinese GDP will be above 8% growth, no doubt at all.
Wow.
So
Sir,
the shipping.
You just highlighted container traffic as being up. That's fairly key because that's a part of the business that we can sort of look at as an indication of a consumer comeback. Is what you're seeing really seasonal, having to do with the Christmas season, the fourth quarter, or are you seeing signs of a consumer comeback?
Yes, through our shipping volume, cargo volume, we found the consumer market is slightly come back. For example, we could see the volume is going up and the price raise the freight rate is a standard. So if all the country, all the governments shake hands through the efforts to further push up the stimulus plan for the executive to world economy for the next year, I think it's bright future.
Sir, it has been reported that Cosco is looking to sell its 20% holding in ICBC Credit Suisse. Where are you in the course of that transaction?
You mean the Cosco involved ICBC?
Yes.
ICBC is the Cosco business partner.
And you're selling that stake, that 20% stake, it's been reported. Is that accurate?
That is one of the projects during the financial crisis. You know that according to market rules, some projects for established, some projects we can solve. That's a normal operation procedure.
Sir,
we making money, only making money.
Well, sir, I want to ask you, we talked so much about the weakness that has been seen in the U.S. dollar and weakness in the yuan as well. How is that playing into business? I got to imagine it's helping things right now, but it certainly has been fodder for a lot of debate in Washington, where you are right now.
I hope the U.S. currency was stronger. It's better for the shipping because we collect the freight rates in U.S. dollar, but we put accounting in China in Chinese RMB. So I hope the U.S. currency is stronger. The stronger, the better.
The stronger, the better. That's counterintuitive from what I would think there, sir. let me ask you, when you're in our nation's capital, you're in Washington right now, speaking to the press club about trade relations between the U.S. and China. What is the state of those relations?
That's the truth for that. This time, a special task is to head the China Association for Trading Service to United States. I will deliver a speech in the National Press Club to the media to mention about that, let American people understand what's the CAT is functioning. And we do our effort to let more and more American people understanding the service trade between two countries is growing and very important. We need to support each other according to win-win principle to further develop the service trade between two countries.
Thank you so much, Captain, for making time. That's Captain Jiafu Wei, CEO of China Ocean Shipping Group, Cosco. He's here in Washington addressing a press club this afternoon.